how red cabbage can serve as a natural pH indicator. Its pigment, anthocyanin, change color depending on whether a solution is acidic or basic. And with the help of a centrifuge, we are able to get a clear extract for testing. Group member: Nicole Banastao, Jonalyn Salazar, Jacqueline Marcelino, Jaire May Lorzano, and last, Lauren Susi. This experiment shows us how natural indicators can be used in simple but effective ways. It also helps us improve our teamwork and laboratory skills. So let's go. Let's know what will be the results of our experiment.
Here's our materials. First, fresh red cabbage leaves, blender or mortar and pestle, beakers and cups, distilled water, panel and filter paper, but was optional only, centrifuge and tubes, test tubes and small cups, pipettes and droppers, gloves and goggles, and the household test substances, which is the vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda solution, detergent solution, and tap water.
For our procedure, first thing to do is chop 5 to 6 leaves of red cabbage into small pieces and place in a blender with 200 ml distilled water and blend until the water turns deep into purple, and pour the mixture into centrifuge tubes, divide equally, and place tubes in a centrifuge opposite each other for balance, and run for 3 to 5 minutes to separate the solids, and carefully collect the clear purple extract because this is your pH indicator, and place 5 ml of the indicator in separate test tube for each household solution, and add 2 to 3 ml of each test substance and observe the color change, and after that, record your observation in this table below.
This experiment aims to identify whenever common household substances are acids, base, or neutral by observing changes in the color of indicator and estimating their pH levels. Vinegar and lemon juice both turn the indicator pink, which an estimated pH of 1 to 3, confirming they are acid. This substance contains acetic acid and citric acid, respectively, which are known for their sour taste and strong acidity. Baking soda changed the indicator to green with a pH of 8 to 11, classifying it as a base. Its alkaline property from sodium bicarbonate, which can neutralize acids. Detergent retained its blue color with a pH of 8 to 11, also indicating a base. Many detergents contain alkaline compound that help breaks down grease and oil. Distilled water turned the indicator violet with a neutral pH of 7, showing it is neither acidic nor basic. Pure water is a standard reference for neutrality. The color changes in the indicator is essential for determining the acidity and alkalinity of each substance, while the scale pH quantifies their strength. This experiment shows that acids generally have a low pH, 1 to 3, and changes the indicator warm color like pink, while bases have a high pH to 8 to 11 and shifts the indicator to cooler colors like green or blue. Neutral substances such as distilled water remain close to the pH 7 with minimal color change.
What role did the centrifuge play in this experiment? This centrifuge was used to separate the solid from liquid in the experiment. Question number 14. Which substances were acidic, which were basic? The acidic substances is the lemon juice and vinegar, while the basic substances is the baking soda, detergent, and distilled water. Question number 15. How reliable is red cabbage as a pH indicator compared to a PM meter? Red cabbage is less reliable due to subjective color interpretation, while pH meter gives precise numerical reactings. Question number 16. Why is balancing the centrifuge important? Balancing the centrifuge is important to ensure even distribution of the substances, preventing damage to the equipment and ensuring accurate separation. Question 17. How could you improve the extraction process of the indicator? To improve the extraction, consider using a higher concentration of red cabbage using a more polar solvent like ethanol. In conclusion, the experiment showed that vinegar and lemon juice are acidic. Baking soda and detergent are basic, while the distilled water is neutral. The red cabbage indicator demonstrated its potential as neutral pH indicator by successfully changing color based on each substance pH. All things considered, the activity shown the ability of red cabbage extract can differentiate between basis, acid, and neutral solutions.